Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. What happens when you take vitamin C and D together? Combining vitamin C and vitamin D may provide the following benefits. 1. Boosts the immune system. Vitamin C and D work together to strengthen the immune system and fight infections. 2. Strengthens bones. Taking these vitamins together can increase bone density and reduce the risk of fractures. 3. Enhances wound healing. Vitamin C and D play complementary roles in skin repair and collagen production. 4. Improves digestive health. These vitamins may help prevent harmful bacteria from entering the digestive tract. 5. May improve cancer outcomes. Vitamin C and D together may benefit some cancer patients by reducing side effects of treatment. Dietary sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits and vegetables, while vitamin D is obtained from sunlight exposure and fatty fish. It's recommended to discuss supplementation of these vitamins with a healthcare provider. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak